Yo, what's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Fortnite on your iPhone without GeForce Now. Before I start today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can hit 60,000 subscribers. Also, make sure to go follow my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link is always in the description below. Anyways guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you will need to go to this website, which will be linked in the description below as always. And then this is the Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta, which we will be using to play Fortnite on our iPhone without GeForce Now. This is the second best way to play Fortnite on your iPhone, and it might even be better than GeForce Now. So what you want to do here is click play for free, then click get ready to play. Hit the share button here, scroll up, then click add to home screen, then click add. It will take you to that spot on the home screen. Just click on it. Now click play for free. Click sign in. You will either need to sign into your existing Xbox account or create a new Xbox account. Since I already have one, I'm just gonna sign in. Once you're signed in, just click play. Then it has this really cool animation of it launching Fortnite with cloud gaming. I think it's better than GeForce Now for sure. Now you'll just have to turn your phone sideways to adjust it to the right resolution. And if it doesn't, make sure your screen orientation lock is off, then turn it sideways, then press this to start. There is built-in hand controls on this if you just want to use it on mobile, but you can also connect one of your controllers and play as well. Another perk is that it has way less lag than GeForce Now, which is also amazing. Also, the best feature to this is you don't only have 1 hour to play. You can play for as long as you want, so this is really the best method. When you're finished playing, click this button here, click the 3 dots, then click quit game, then click quit game. And that's it. This is how you play Fortnite on your iPhone without GeForce Now. Enjoy. Yo, thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.